if our metal stops shining, we turn into normal animals?
I know.
Seems
That's
like
me
it.
right now.
Sick!
No! We need to fix him. That cat isn't our friend. He's our pet.
Papa's right.
Wait!
That cat is our friend.
Bring him back.
We gotta bring him back.
Now, cat, stop acting like that.
Gosh.
Oh, for goodness sake.
That's
Our
Gaylord
leader when we
Architects.
need
I'm
him.
not Gaylord.
All right,
Luigi, you're not a real smiling critter.
Bob and I are gonna try to fix his metal once
What
it's
a
ready.
bubble
For now,
There's so much
let's take turns
static.
looking after him to
but-
make sure he gets hurt.
Excuse me, I've got better things to
what
do
the
than
same one?
babysitting someone
Can
my
I-
age.
And
Please,
I
for the
know
rest of our
that's
shakes,
right.
don't ever say that again. Oh. Damn.
Applebee's that expires tonight.
Guys, look!
Look. A cat.
Oh, well, all the reviews said it sucked anyway.
Don't worry now, cat. I'll fix you up in a jiffy. Just gotta summarize all my research on the last page and... No, no.
Cat, what was that?
Took me a whole night to finish.
Oops, my system crashed.
Hey, I call dibs on now, Cat. He's on the blue team.
No way.
Nap cat.
Me on the red team. Blue.
Red!
Blue. All right now, Cat.
Yay.
We're playing The Floor is Lava.
All right,
All
cat.
you gotta do is jump. Watch.
Cat.
Easy peasy,
Yay.
right?
Day dog.
Your
You
turn.
did it.
Show me what you got.
Watch this. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. I'm gonna do it.
Did you die?
That's me.
Now, Cat. No.
No.
Boing.
Oh.
Did you get telekinesis?
It's really my best work yet, but it's still.
Look, and watch this. Watch this. This is my favorite part.
You murdered people?
How about this homemade
No,
fountain?
not that.
It'd look so good on you, Catnap.
Listen.
wouldn't
No.
That's literally you every time we try to give you a bath. You literally like,
Hey,
no.
point of view. Hey, wait. Hey, point of view of me getting a
it?
bath.
Wouldn't it?
Watch this.
Exactly! Cat, if you can't sting for the rest of your life, you can't sting for the rest of your life. You need to take a bath at some point. Finally, you did. Finally, you took it.
Cake I've ever
Is that a
made.
cucumber?
Do you like it too, Cat?
How do you keep doing it?
I don't like cucumbers.
Alright.
You gotta eat them. They're healthy.
Oh, come on. You know that doesn't work on me. And that doesn't.
Cat.
All right, your turn. You voice it, okay? After this. All right, you're next.
Alright, my itty bitty kitty cat.
Bath time!
Oh, come on. You know that doesn't work on me. And that doesn't either. Regular cats can't do that, silly. Look, I'm sorry I'm being a little obsessive, Cat, but I can't help it. You're too cute like this. Aw, who's a good titty? You are, aren't you? Sweet little.
Huh?
Nap, cat.
No.
Okay, Fuff. I pretended I was a normal cat because I wanted to sleep all day. I thought everyone would just leave me alone. But of course, you big bozos thought I was in trouble and kept me away.
Pat, you know if you wanted to take a day off, you could have just told us. We were all worried, sis. I'm just glad you're okay.
I'm so...
Eh,
I ain't too worried about
Yes,
it.
you
it's not
are.
like you ripped off my legs or something.
Thinking it the whole time. Catnap.
Wait. I can match that. Hey, I can match that, Frodo.
Eh,
I ain't too worried about it.
it's not like you ripped off my legs or something.
Catnap, what was that all about?
All right. I can match that.
Thinking it the whole time. Catnap.
Okay, I can match it. Hey, don't unpause it. Okay, don't unpause it. I can match it. Hey, hear me out. Hear me out. No, don't tell me I lost it. No, that was the only avatar I loved.
What was it?
On man, I was too busy.
What was it?
Oh, it was a Sonic character, man.
Oh wait, hold
It
on.
had the freaking. It had a Family Guy death pose with it too.
Hold on. Hold on. Are you talking about this?
No, it's a Sonic. Oh, I want. Okay.
It was just made by the same people.
Yo, they really like Family Guy death poses.
Thinking it the whole time. Catnap.
Let's try that again.
I ain't too.
You're okay.
I'm so...
Eh,
I ain't too
Yes, you
worried
are
about it.
sus.
it's not like you ripped off my legs or something.
I'm scared now.
The whole time. Catnap.
Hey.
Dang it, I did the wrong pose.
Nah.
What's the problem?
Oh, hey. Oh gosh, I think Tails is dead.
The whole time. Catnap.
Hey, bro, I see your cloning is on.
Yeah. I always leave it on. I don't really care if people clone it anymore.
I'm dead.
Okay, if you did, I need to check.
Whoa!
Good
Hey!
to know that you were faking it the whole time. Catnap.
Hey, look it, we don't have to do anything like that, okay? We can all
Really
just keep
dead.
it peace. No, look it, we could just keep it peace, alright? Okay?
Blah, blah,
Care. I treat him
blah,
like this
blah,
every
blah,
Whoa!
blah, 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 blah.
I treat him like this every time.
Wait, what?
Yeah, actually.
Okay,
I
I'm
treat
scared
him
now.
so horrible.
I'm scared now.
And he just don't
Hey.
care. Hey.
Have you heard about politics? Because I know who you are.
Okay, it's time to die, little fox. Alright, little fox, hold still because I'm gonna kill. Oh my.